In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a purchase conversion event in Google Ads. On the left side, select the goals and then under the conversions, click the summary, wait for it to load up, and then scroll down and you will see here the create conversion action button. Click on that and you'll be redirected to the new conversion action page. In here, you'll need to select a kind of conversions that you want to track. So for example, if it's website, app, phone calls, or import. So in this case, I'm going to use the website. So in here, you'll need to attach your website domain in here. So as you can see in here, I don't have a website domain, but to give you all an example, I'm just going to use a random. So once you input a legit website domain, you can click the scan and it shouldn't be red when you click the scan. So after that, save and continue. And then you'll be redirected to the Google Tags procedures. So in here, you'll need to set up your Google tag and then the page view of your campaign. So just simply click the setup tag and then follow the procedures in here. After that, once you're done installing it manually, you can just click the test installation to test if it's working. After that, you can now click the done button and that's it. You've successfully set up a purchase conversion event in Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.